Looking for a vector database? Well, you may have stumbled upon Weaviate. You also may have stumbled upon Qdrant. Wondering which option is best for you? Well, today we're going to have a look at both of them. We're going to put them head to head and compare their features and their benefits. So let's do it. Okay, so we're jumping into Weaviate now. So Weaviate excels in semantic search capabilities across multiple data types. This does include text documents, image, and complex mixed data types. It gives you real-time search with millisecond response times. It has relationship handling as well for graph-like data structures. Some of the key advantages of using Weaviate is their context-aware search that understands meaning and not just keywords. It has scalable performance for growing data sets, and it has language agnostic processing with multilingual support. It also seamlessly integrates with popular ML frameworks. It really makes Weaviate particularly well suited for advanced AI and machine learning applications, which require support for diverse data formats and semantic understanding. Weaviate also supports plugins and custom modules for specialized functionality and easy extensions of capabilities. It offers REST, GraphQL, and gRPC interfaces for seamless integrations with existing systems. It also features predictable performance as data volumes grow with efficient scaling mechanisms. It combines vector similarity with traditional keyword search for more accurate results. You can see over here it allows you to create complex relationship networks between concepts and entities for more advanced semantic querying. It has powerful, intelligent suggestion systems that understand content similarity beyond just your keywords. It enables context-aware assistance and document retrieval systems with its semantic understanding. All right, let's have a look at Qdrant. So, Qdrant is built from the ground up with Rust programming language. This is for optimized memory and CPU resource utilization. It also has low latency search operations at scale. Keyword being at scale there. It has a high throughput vector operation system, and it is efficient when handling massive vector databases. This performance-focused architecture makes Qdrant ideal for real-time applications that require fast, accurate similarity search results. You can also see over here it has some advanced features. So it has fine-grained resource tuning for optimized deployment. It has payload indexing for precise filtering of your vector search results. And it has REST and gRPC APIs for flexible integration options. And it's available as open source or as managed cloud service. Some of the popular applications could include recommendation engines with personalized content matching, image similarity, search systems at production scale, and anomaly detection in large datasets, and then finally document retrieval with semantic understanding. The last thing that we are going to see here is their rich filtering capabilities. It combines vector search with traditional filtering conditions, allowing more precise selection criteria on both vector and similarity data and metadata properties. You can store arbitrary JSON objects alongside vectors, which enables complex data models without any schema limitations. And it has dynamically the ability to adjust search parameters at query time without rebuilding indexes, which is perfect for experimentation as well as fine-tuning results. These advanced filtering capabilities really does put Qdrant in a different level with particularly powerful capabilities for applications that require context-sensitive search results. It is also a great e-commerce product which allows you to discover content moderation systems. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there is a ton of options out there. There really, really are. And to really go and dig deep and find out which one works for you is the best advice that I can give you. Go ahead, try them, put them to real use, and see what actually works. Now, if this really was helpful, you can drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.